Welcome to AndroIndian. Today we're demystifying the power players in project management. In this video, we explore the key stakeholders who drive success in both traditional and agile environments. Projects need leadership that extends beyond the project manager. This strategic direction comes from 4 pillars. Understanding these roles is vital for governance, accountability, and strategic alignment in any value delivery system. Let's start with the project sponsor. They are the ultimate champion of the project within the organization. The sponsor connects the project to business strategy, secures vital resources, and removes high-level organizational obstacles. When sponsors are disengaged, projects face resource conflicts, delayed decisions, and, ultimately, strategic misalignment.
Next is the product owner. In Agile frameworks, the PO is the bridge between the business and the technical team.
They own the product backlog, ensuring the team is always working on the most valuable features first. Their primary focus is maximizing value delivery by making tough decisions on what to build and what to defer. Then we have the heart of the operation, the project team. These are the specialists who do the heavy lifting. An effective team is cross-functional and self-organizing, taking collective accountability for the project's output. In Agile, the team works in short cycles called sprints to deliver functional increments of the product.
Finally, we have the users and customers. They are the ultimate reason the project exists.
Users provide the feedback necessary to ensure the product solves real-world problems and delivers actual value. Without constant engagement with users, even the most technically perfect project can fail to meet market needs. The magic happens in the synergy between these roles. Each depends on the other for success. Proper governance ensures that everyone is aligned with the organizational purpose and the project's scope. Whether you use Scrum, Kanban, or a hybrid model, these roles remain the foundation of professional excellence. So, remember, the sponsor provides the means, the PO, the direction, the team, the creation, and the user, the purpose. Mastering these roles is your first step toward project leadership and strategy mastery. If you found this helpful, hit subscribe, like this video, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Visit AndroIndian.com for more deep dives. Catch you in the next one. Stay curious.